Hey guys, Kirby's and Other Vacuums here. I'm already like halfway through this, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I've been redoing this Kirby and shining it up. I don't have really good materials to shine with, but I do have a little buffer ball that I've been using on this drill. So I can't get the deep scratches out like those, but I've at least got it shiny like that. Mirror image shiny. And stuff like that. So, I've already replaced the carbon brushes. This one didn't have a cap. Cleaned up everything, wiped it down. Probably gonna take this apart and put the metal fan inside. This has got the Lexan in there right now. This is a F5. Just for those of you who know what that means, I'll leave it in the description for the video. I'm sure Rob and Ben know exactly what that means. Anyway, I decided that since the spring is broken, I don't know if you guys can see that at all, but the spring's broken inside here for this Kirby, and it's missing a chunk as well. See, it doesn't even go all the way over here and whatever. So it just flops around. It's been that way since I got it. So instead of trying to get the spring in, getting a new spring in there, since this is pretty messed up and dirty and stuff, decided I'd do it the easy way and just get a whole nother one. I've already switched the wheels over to this one. It's fairly shiny. I'm not thinking I'm going to do much to it. But yeah, I'll restart the video when I've got this metal fan in here. Yep. Turns out that it had a cheap, it's not even a Kirby branded fan. I cannot find any Kirby branding on this fan anywhere. That, and it looks pretty warped. Pretty cheap fan. Yeah. This should be a lot better having the metal fan in there. We'll keep going. Okay, so now we're finally on final assembly. I found this in there, just floating around. It didn't have a home anywhere, and I couldn't figure out where it went. I thought maybe it was a carbon brush, or something related to the carbon brush, but I poked around for a little while and couldn't figure that out, so it's out of the Kirby now. There's the old cheap plastic wannabe fan. The metal fan's in there now. Yep, we're finally on reassembly, so I guess I'll just keep it recording from here. I shined up everything. That's the old piece. Move that out of the way. Maybe we'll put the handle on first. Yay, I finally have a handle that holds itself up by itself. How good is the spring? Acceptable. I don't have this in yet. Huh. There. Like I said, acceptable. It'll work. There, it's plugged in. Yep, it's working right. The bag's gonna be fun to do with the camera on. Tell you what, maybe I'll just set it up to where you guys can watch. Hopefully you can see it. Almost done. And there it is. The finished Tradition. Well, not quite finished. I still need to get the stickers for this, if anybody can find those. But it has been shined. It needs to be wiped down now. Oops. I forgot to polish this part. Oh well, that'll come soon. Here it is. A finished 1979 Tradition. Enjoy. Okay, so it's finally done. Moved it to my kids' playroom, which needs a really good vac and a shampoo and some spot cleaning and a whole bunch of other stuff. It's pretty bad. Anyway, figured since I haven't even started it yet, we'll demo the semi-finished Kirby. I still need to get new wheels for it and redo some of the polishing, because as you can see, it's shiny but not shiny. It's not highly reflective, which I like highly reflective, and my Kirby is not, so of course there's more to do. But until then, we will. That metal fan works pretty good. Looks like the headlight's not working. That's weird. Well, one thing at a time, I guess. It has incredible suction with that metal fan in it. I honestly have never felt such good suction out of a Kirby before. And again, I've never used a Kirby with this motor in it that had the metal fan. I've never used a Classic 3 or anything like that. So, works good. Strong. Work on the headlight soon. Well, anyway, that's the Tradition. Definitely a keeper. Of course it is. Anyway, that's all for now, YouTubers. Have a good day.
Pretty shiny Kirby, I'm in love with you. Pretty shiny Kirby, how I love you true. Start the motor humming, see the work it will do. Pretty shiny Kirby, I'm in love.